If you've just passed your driving test and you've got a car, it's all insured, and you're happy with the insurance and everything else, and the car's running fine, then treat yourself to a dash cam. They're not dear. You can pick one up between £20 to £50, £100, different price brackets. You know, a front one or a front and rear one, depends what you want really, what you want to get out of it. But do treat yourself to a dash cam, because there are lots of silly drivers out there who take silly risks, and they'll try and blame you if you're involved in an accident. Why did you go and do that? Why did you go and hit me? It's your fault, that. And if you're new to driving, you're going to panic. Oh, I'm sorry about that, mister or missus, I didn't mean to, knowing that straight afterwards it wasn't even your fault. The dash cam will help identify. You can look back on the footage, you can see whose fault it is then. So yeah, treat yourself to a dash cam. I'll put a link at the top if you want to watch it, and in the description below, of me fitting my first dash cam. I think it might have been about 5 or 6 years ago. Obviously they come a long way sometimes. I think the one I fitted might have been a Nextbase 312, so I'm not sure what the Nextbase one is now, but by all means have a look at the video, see what you think of it, see if it helps you. But there's been a few times when I've been involved in near misses, and the dash cams recorded the footage, so it's actually evidence, because your insurance company's going to say to you, well, have you got any footage, any video footage? Oh yeah, and they drove right in front of me. I had to brake out, but couldn't help it. Right, okay, then that's evidence of them driving badly. Right. Just seen that then, that white van was actually in the left lane, and they started crossing over last second. The car bibbed him. So yeah, things happen all the time, just like that did then. So just be careful, treat yourself something nice for Christmas.